Hello. Today, we will talk about how to use the amazing technology of artificial intelligence to improve your project and achieve more success. Welcome to a PC Business channel, where ambition, passion, and continuity in the field of business come together. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence technology is one of the most modern and controversial technologies currently in the business world. It enables you to obtain accurate information and in-depth analysis about your business and customers in a short time and with high efficiency, and helps you make better decisions. Therefore, in this video, we will present 4 ways to use artificial intelligence to improve your business. Firstly, artificial intelligence can be used in marketing, where machine learning and data analysis techniques can be used to determine effective marketing strategies that achieve the best results. Secondly, artificial intelligence can be used in data analysis, where advanced techniques can be used to analyze data and obtain accurate insights about your business and customers, and improve internal processes. Thirdly, artificial intelligence can be used to improve customer experience, where advanced techniques can be used to analyze data and provide personalized services for customers and improve their experience. Finally, artificial intelligence can be used in risk analysis, where advanced techniques can be used to analyze risks and provide recommendations to reduce risks and improve business performance. Now, I will present to you the top 3 websites that offer these services. 1 Marketing, Adext AI, Refuel 4, Phrasee. 2 Data Analysis, IBM Watson Analytics, Google Cloud Automation, Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. 3 Customer Service Improvement, Bold 360, IBM Watson, Salesforce Einstein. 4 Risk Analysis, DataRobot, Ayasdi, IBM Watson Analytics. Note that these websites differ in features and cost, so you should research and compare them to determine which ones suit your business needs and budget. After learning about some ways to use artificial intelligence to improve your business and the supported websites, let's talk about how to start using it. First, you need to research the appropriate tools for using artificial intelligence and become familiar with the most effective ways to use them. Second, you need to collect the necessary data and analyze it using artificial intelligence techniques to obtain accurate insights and deep analysis about your business and customers. Third, you need to apply the results and analyses to your business, improve internal processes, and enhance the customer experience. Finally, you must continue to use advanced technologies to improve your business and achieve better results. Thus, artificial intelligence can be used to improve your business, make it more effective and successful. Artificial intelligence can be relied upon 100% in many areas of business, the most important of which are 1 Marketing, where precise data analytics and insights derived from artificial intelligence can be used to determine the best marketing strategies and improve the relationship between customers and the company. 2 Inventory Management. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze inventory data and determine future needs, thereby reducing inventory costs and improving operational efficiency. 3 Customer Service. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze customer records and provide quick and accurate responses to inquiries and complaints, thanks to machine learning and chatbot technologies. 4 Production and Manufacturing. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze production and manufacturing data, improve operational efficiency, reduce human error, and thus increase productivity. 5 Financial Forecasting and Analysis. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze financial and economic data and predict future events, thanks to machine learning and data analysis techniques. 6 Security and Protection. Artificial intelligence can be used to analyze security and protection data and detect any unauthorized activity, thanks to machine learning and pattern recognition techniques. There are many other areas as well. Statistics indicate that the use of artificial intelligence AI in business is increasingly growing in recent years. According to some impressive numbers, Gartner predicted that the global AI market would reach $327.5 billion in 2021. A Deloitte study revealed that 81% of enterprises are using or planning to use AI in the next few years. PwC study showed that AI usage can increase productivity by 10–30%. An Accenture study found that companies using AI can achieve revenue growth up to 30%. An IBM study revealed that 82% of executives believe AI will have a positive impact on company growth in the future. Therefore, investing in AI can help companies improve their efficiency, increase productivity, and achieve revenue growth. There are several countries in the world that invest heavily in the field of artificial intelligence. The following are the most prominent countries that use AI extensively. 1. United States of America. The United States of America is one of the leading countries in the field of artificial intelligence, using it in various fields such as commerce, healthcare, industry, and education. 2. China. China is one of the most AI-driven countries in the world, using it in various fields such as healthcare, e-commerce, and manufacturing. 3. Japan. Japan uses artificial intelligence in several fields such as manufacturing, financial services, agriculture, and healthcare. 4. United Kingdom. The United Kingdom uses AI in fields such as healthcare, e-commerce, education, and financial services. 5. Canada. Canada uses AI in fields such as industry, agriculture, healthcare, and commerce. 6. Germany. Germany uses artificial intelligence in several fields such as industry, financial services, and commerce. These are some examples of countries that use artificial intelligence extensively in various fields, indicating that the use of AI is an important and vital topic in the global business. And with that, we have reached the end of the video. We hope that you have benefited from the information we presented. Please do not hesitate to share the video with your friends and colleagues at work. If you have any questions, inquiries, or topics you would like us to address in future videos, feel free to ask in the comments section below the video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next videos.